Okay, in this question on chemical kinetics, it is mentioned. Let's read the question very carefully. The bacterial infection in an internal wound grows as it is given. It is n dash t, which is number at any time t of the bacterial, and e raised to power t. So this is how it grows, where t is time in r. Now what happens is a dose of antibiotic. Now antibiotic does what? Antibiotic arrest the growth of bacteria. Okay? So it does not allow the bacteria to grow. So bacteria are killed. Right? So it is taken orally, needs 1 hour to reach the wound. Right? So which means when you have given the dose, the time taken for this to reach the wound is basically 1 hour. So in that time, this bacteria is going to grow. Right. Now, once it reaches there, the bacterial population goes down. After this dose has reached, which means at time t more than 1 hour, right? Then what we see over here is dn by dt is equal to minus 5n square, right? So we can see there is a decline in number. Why? Because the dose of antibiotic have reached the, okay. So basically we will have to draw the graph in two stages, right? So from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1 hour, basically we will say यहाँ पे जो है the graph would be, मतलब we can say it is growing like this. N dash t is equal to n naught e raised to power t. So after 1 hour t is equal to 1 hour, you will see that the number of bacteria is n into e, right? E times n naught. Now, what happens when you talk about time more than 1 hour? Then the second function which is given come into picture. This differential equation has to be solved. And here it says that dn by dt is equal to minus 5n square. So what do we have? We can just integrate it. Minus dn upon this is n square is equal to minus 5 times dt. So if we integrate right, so we can see it is, we have to integrate from which time? This will be n naught into e to the current, which is n dash, right? And time would be what? Time would be after 1 hour to the current time, right? So integration of this is minus 1 by n. Then you have to put the lower limit, as you must have studied in mathematics applied in physics. So minus times, right? So it will be t minus 1. Okay, so now if I put the value, right, what do I get? So this is what we are getting. Integration of, everybody knows this. So this is minus 1 upon n dash plus 1 upon n naught into e is equal to minus 5 times t minus 1, right? So here, but the function that we have to take is n naught upon n. So clearly what we can do is we can multiply by n naught on both the sides and also multiply by minus 1. So this is n naught upon n dash, right, minus 1 upon e is equal to 5 times t minus 1. So we are multiplying by minus n naught, right, on the entire equation, left hand as well right hand side. So this is the expression that we get. So if you analyze this expression very carefully, what you are going to see over here, that this is y, है ना? This is what we are plotting on the y-axis, and this is versus t, right? So y is equal to mx plus c. So it should be a straight line, okay? Right, so we can see it is of the form, this is y, this is m, this is x plus c, because 1 by is also constant, it will club into 5 minus 5, right? So since it is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, so graph should have been of a straight line. So answer matches with a, right? Answer matches with a. The only thing is what they are drawing is they are drawing the graph after t is equal to 1 hour, right? Because initially the growth is exponential, okay? Which means if I have to draw the graph actually from t is equal to 0, so at t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, we can see it is n naught, then it goes to n naught times e, and then you have a straight line, right? okay, with a positive slope, which is right. So, which means it is the bacteria is not growing that vigorously and it is declining, about to decline. So that should have been the actual graph, but they are just drawing this part of the graph after t is equal to 1. Therefore, the best fit for this would be option number A.